how did they manage to build it? Many people have these limitations, these limiting beliefs that you have a great idea, but when you're thinking about it, you're saying to yourself, I shouldn't be doing it, I will not succeed. But when you look at things like that, you realize that there are no limits. There are absolutely no limits to what a human can achieve. Look at all the great inventors. Look at people who build things. Look at your cell phone, look at your computer. Somebody invented it. Many years ago, if somebody told you that you'll be able to use phone to speak to people from a different continent, you wouldn't believe, okay? You wouldn't believe. But it is possible. Why? Because somebody had guts to think big. And that's why you need to think big as well. Because something that seems impossible now may be possible in the future. Well, you can be the follower and you can hope that somebody will do it, will make it happen. Or you can create your own circumstances and you can make things happen. So I want to ask you a favor. Think about something you really want to achieve. Think about your dreams and forget about all the limitations you have in your brain and just go for it. Set yourself a timeline and just go for it. Because life is too short to be little and life is too short not to try.